Hey guys, welcome back. This is a very quick and easy recipe to reinforce your hair. Let's start mixing egg, honey and oil. Egg is very rich in vitamins A, E, biotin, and will make hair more resistant to damage, and it also moisturizes dry hair together with honey and olive oil, which are strong moisturizers for your hair. So this is the consistency that you should get. And now we can add corn flour. Better if you add 1 teaspoon at a time. Be patient with corn flour when you mix it up, because it can take a little while to get melted. And now, if you want it to be less liquid, you can add some conditioner, better if it's a natural one like mine. And rosemary essential oil. This oil will prevent hair loss and will stimulate hair growth. My advice is to apply this mask on damp hair in the bathtub. Cover up your head with cling film and a shower cap. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, even more if you can. And this is the final result. My hair looks softer, thicker. I definitely feel like going out from the hairdresser. And I hope you like this video and see you next time.